Oh, Mark, I had a question. Okay, I've been hearing this term, and I wanted to ask you about it. Okay, so I don't know what this is. What is a quick claim deed?
Ooh.
That's an awesome question. It's an awesome question because it's actually called a quitclaim.
Oh, quit.
deed.
See?
Yep.
Okay,
But
so it's one of those
Lisa?
things. Yeah.
If I were to put out a survey, and we might just do this on my friend's company, Prop Fuel, put out a survey that says, what do you think it is?
Yeah.
And see how many people, obviously people will Google it now or whatever.
Yeah, I know.
I would say an honest answer would be probably 95% of people think it's quitclaim.
No, I mean, it sounds...
I was hoping it was something speedy. Yeah.
Quitclaim deed. It's like I thought it was wheelbarrow instead of barrow. I thought it was a barrel.
And it's an awesome explanation because, it should be quick and easy. A client of mine I spoke to this morning said, can we deed my wife onto the property because we're doing a construction loan to do a new renovation to our home. And I said, yeah, but it's a quitclaim, and we'll happily do a quitclaim, but it is quick. So we'll have it ready for you this afternoon. We'll record it for you, and we'll get it over to your lender who needs to see this in order to get the loan closed. So it is quick. Funny that you say that, and it works out that way. But what a quitclaim deed does, Lisa, to answer the question, is it transfers whatever you have in ownership of that property to another person. So maybe you don't have any ownership in it. Maybe you only have a third ownership in the property. You're giving them what you have. You're quitting any claim that you have on the property, which it's fun when you talk about law, right? It's all common sense. You quit claim. I have claims to this property. I have ownership to this property, but I'm going to quit them and deliver them over to you, right? So quit claim deed, I'm going to convey it. We use it a lot in the estate planning department, right?
Okay.
So we're deeding it into a trust. So we quit claim it into a trust to help fund the estate plan, to fulfill what is written in those trusts. And, and then you talk about ownership of the property and joint tenancy. We have a great video. Emmanuel Ebot, team attorney, been with us for a long time. E stands for easy to talk to. Emmanuel Ebot talks about, the different types of ownership, tenants in common. We have a lot of people who are like, should I do it in tenants in common? Should I do it in joint tenants? But what I want to talk about is that quitclaim delivers only what you have, and maybe you don't even have anything. So what are you receiving, right, as the buyer? What are you receiving? You're receiving only what they have. In a lot of states, the seller delivers what's called a warranty deed. So Massachusetts doesn't use warranty deeds. And when you warrant and you represent that you're giving them exactly what is written there, then they have a lot more protection. So in Massachusetts, with a quitclaim deed, you may not be getting everything. So it's imperative that folks, purchase owner's title insurance so they have those additional protections because, again, the seller is only delivering what they may or may not have, where in another state, the seller is delivering. They're doing it. They're paying for the title insurance to protect their position of what if there was a mistake and I didn't deliver everything. So, the title insurance is for another day.
Oh, that sounds like it could be its own topic, title insurance.
Well, maybe we'll answer that question next week. How about that?
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, that sounds good. So next week we'll talk about title insurance. Got it. Okay.
Perfect.
Nice. Very good. Okay, so you said there's a video out there on not the quick, but the quit claim deeds.
Well, it's interesting that you asked. I'm doing that video with Thomas this afternoon.
Oh, nice.
So that's going to be on the YouTube channel tomorrow. So for your listeners, our listeners, we have a YouTube channel. It's called Stiles Law Original. And every week a new video is dropped by Thomas from Studio B, who's amazing. And I encourage anyone who's looking to put some video content out there on social media, do it. It's fun, first of all, and he's great. And people pay attention to it, and they take notice and deliver the values. So that's what our page is all about answering these types of questions. So, dive in, get lost, and understand some stuff that you may not have understood before.
Perfect.
This week, it'll be about quitclaim deeds, and I'm glad we got to So role play it out so that I can do a really good video for everybody.
Well, thank you for explaining it. I obviously didn't hear it properly, but it's nice to know that it's quit. But it can be quick, but it's actually quit.
It can be quick. It can be quick. And we'll see you later, Ken. I'll see you around 2 o'clock with that feed, Ken.
All right. Well, this is great. So, again, get in touch with Mark Stiles. He can help you out. Mark, if people want to ask questions about this or any of the other areas that you cover, they can get in touch with you in a variety of ways, right?
Yep. They can reach the team at our main office. The number is 781-319-1900. And we're right there on State Road 139, starting after the Shred Show, May 8th. After the Shred Show, we're going to have the tent up. So come on by, have a chat, and we'll talk about stuff. But here's one thing I want to remind everybody of.
Yeah.
Locally, there's a lot of elections happening on Saturday.
Oh, yeah.
And, you know, if you don't vote, you really can't complain. And I know that a lot of people don't want to complain on social media and they don't want to speak up, but this is the opportunity that you have to speak up. And if you don't, then come on, you really can't complain if the minority of people are making all of the decisions in your town. You got to vote. Very important. Saturday.
Get out and vote. Stiles-law.com. Stiles Law, Mark Stiles. It's a Feel Good Friday. We do it every Friday at this time on WATD.
Have a great weekend, Mark.
You too. Thank you, folks.
Thank you.
Talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.